So now let's go around over here and create a new plane object right here, just like this. Let's just go around and turn it a bit on the white side right here and press OK and OK over here as well. Let's just go around and create a new text layer. And for this text layer, I'm going to go around and type in tutor tube, just like this over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around and scale this out as well. So let's just go around and scale it out right here, just like this. So now you can see that I got two objects right here. These are two 2D objects. So let's just go around and turn them 3D as well. So let's just go around and turn this 3D, and then I'm going to go around and turn this text into 3D as well. So you can see that this is what I have right here. So this is a 3D layer. So let's just go around and rotate this out. Let's just press Ctrl Z right here. And then I'm going to go around and move this out right here. And let's just go around and move it back over here just like this. And move out the camera over here just like this so that I can face it out like this over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here and move this particular object right here. So let's just go around onto tube view so that you can see both of the views right here, just like this. And I can push this over here on the right hand side. So you can see that as this object passes through right here, what happens is that nothing really special happens right now. But in case of real world, what happens is that if objects were to pass into one another like this, then you would actually see some kind of a shadow right here. So that's known as ambient occlusion in technical terms right here while you're editing, and that is something that you can turn on while you're working with 3D composite layers. So to do that, I'm going to go around and expand out the text right here just like this, and then I'm going to go around onto materials, and then I'm going to go around and click on cast ambient right here just like this. But nothing really happens right now because the other object does not receive any ambient occlusion. So I'm going to go around over here onto this particular object right here, and then go around over here onto the receive occlusion right here just like this, and immediately you can see that there's a sort of a shadow right here. As I move closer right here, you can see the ambient occlusion over here just like this. So as I move closer together right here, there's the occlusion, and as I move farther away, there is no shadow right here. So as I move closer, you can see the ambient occlusion taking place just like this. So that is what you have right here. So you can go around and then receive out occlusion and so forth, and this is the ambient right here just like this, as you can see. So this is the ambient occlusion, and this is for the text. Let's just go around over here onto this particular plane object right here just like this, and if I were to go around onto ambient occlusion right here, so you can see that you can go around and change out the properties of the ambient occlusion as well. You can go around, increase and decrease the intensity of the ambient occlusion, the depth scale of the ambient occlusion right here just like this, as you can see. And then you can go around and change around the bias of the ambient occlusion over here as well, and even go around and change around the blur radius right here, increase out the intensity, and then you can see that you can go around and change out the fall off rate as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around over here and make it really close together. So you can go around over here and then choose, let's say for example, this particular object right here just like this text, and you can go around and move it out together just like this, or as you move further away, you don't have the ambient occlusion anymore. And that is how you can see that you have this unique effect right here, which really makes it easy to work around with 3D objects inside of HitFilm, and you have a unique effect right there for that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.